Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. Of course, fully redesigned for the 2022 model year. It is absolutely gorgeous in here. Powered by a 3.5 liter V6. This Pathfinder has plenty of power. 3-row seating, of course, as you just saw. Total price as equipped of $50,420. This one's basically fully loaded. Platinum is top of the line. 284 horsepower, 259 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed automatic. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm definitely glad they redesigned the Pathfinder. It was really, really starting to get dated. It was pretty bad. You know, especially when you look at the competition, you were like, you know, there wasn't a lot of reasons to go with the Pathfinder. But that has definitely changed. If I can't do it. There we go. Nice brushed aluminum trim. Heated seats, ventilated seats, air conditioning, of course. Here's your panoramic sunroof. Glove box, a little cubby tray. It's actually good size. You got pen holders, business cards you can hold in there. Pretty cool. Bunch of different drive modes. We'll be driving it in sport, but you have tow, sport, eco, auto, snow, mud rut, and sand. You can also I think this is hill descent control. Yep, hill descent control. So we'll probably end up trying that out. Alright, so you do have rewinding satellite radio. Put it into reverse. Plate spot blocking the camera, but front and rear parking sensors, all the fun stuff. Do also have a heads-up display. Huge fan of those. What's nice is the steering wheel leather. It's different from any other steering wheel I've felt. It feels really, really nice to the touch. And it doesn't feel, well, I haven't driven Nissans in a while, but it just feels good. I mean, it definitely feels upmarket. I will be honest, $50,000 is a lot of money in this segment. Although the Explorer ST, that's probably around this price point too. And I think you can get an Explorer King Ranch. So that would probably go more up against this. Visibility is very, very good. Comfort-wise, really, really good. I am extremely comfortable, especially with the ventilated seats and how comfortable these seats are too. They're very, very comfortable. And thank you, Nissan, for sticking to a V6. NA V6. These things are torque monsters. So I'm glad they stuck to it. Just really helps make this thing feel more premium than it really is. Over the rough road section, not an issue at all. Finger on the hill descent control button. I think this is not steep enough to do it. Darn it. Also, you do have the new Nissan badge that's also featured on your key. So, all new badging for new Nissans now. Man, I can't get over how nice this is. I looked at pictures, I was like, it's not all, it's not bad. No, it's awesome. It really is beautiful. Oopsies. Oopsies. Oh, airbag went off on that one. That one's a big oopsies too. Oops. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.